following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey Emergency Management Agency. Residents in Mercer, Burlington, and Camden must stop water usage immediately. Please stop washing clothes, turning on faucets, flushing toilets, and taking showers. Water should be used for drinking purposes only. Water does not have to be boiled. Cease all other uses of water. There is currently an issue with the sanitary source system which may cause solar backups in the affected areas. Potential solar backups will occur from an area bounded to the south. From the South New Jersey Avenue water plant to the south by the 23rd Street, the central boundary is along Jersey Avenue and southern boundary along the Southern Avenue. Residents in the affected area should move critical items from their basements to higher levels or elevations until Public Works can fix the occurring issue. In addition, residents are highly advised to stay out of areas such as South New Jersey Avenue and Jersey Avenue.
Well, at least you can still catch. Well, at least you can still hit. But what good is all that when you can't run? Oh, that's all right. It's not your fault. Maybe I could use you as a pinch hitter or something.